Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to talk about classes and objects in C#. So let's say that we want to model a real-world object such as car. So each car has its own color and it has, for example, number of doors. So in case that we want to create a multiple objects of car, we need to redeclare these variables multiple times. So that's why we have classes. Classes are helping us to group the different kind of variables into one object. So let's quickly jump on creating the class. But first we want to copy this part of the code, and we can create a class by adding a new class over here. So we can select a class and we want to name that class car. So let's quickly change this to public. We want to make this class publicly available, and we want to copy paste the code that we had previously in the program. So we want to make all these properties public, all these fields actually public. So what we did, so we have a car class which has a field color and a field number of doors. So if we go back to the program, we now can create the object of that class which has car. This is the name of the variable. New car is equal to new car. So we created an object of car class. So object is basically an instance of the class. In this case, instance of the car. So if we want to initialize some of the fields from that object, we can say that new car dot color is equal to red and new car dot, let's say, number of doors is equal to 5. So we successfully created a class over here which has two fields, string color and integer number of doors. So what we did after that, we created the object of that class and initialized all the values from that class. So we initialize color and number of doors. So if we want to create another object, another car, we can quickly copy paste the code and rename this to another car. So we have now two objects of the car, and let's say that we want to change the color to blue. So we have two different cars in the code. So as you can see, we successfully grouped these properties into class. So I think that will be pretty much it for this tutorial. We introduced classes and objects as well. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you in the next one.